An asteroid is racing toward Earth, and it's causing quite a stir. NASA says there's now a 1.6% chance that this asteroid will hit Earth in 2032. But is this something to worry about, or just another space rock passing by? In this video, we'll dive into the latest data about 2024 YR4, the City Killer asteroid, and explore how this could change the way we prepare for future space threats. So, make sure to stick around until the end to get the full scoop and subscribe for daily updates on this potential impact. First spotted in December 2024, 2024 YR4 is a massive asteroid, estimated to be between 130 to 300 feet wide, almost the size of a football field, and it's headed towards Earth, though the chances of a collision are still low. NASA and other space agencies have been monitoring its trajectory closely, and while it's not an immediate threat, there's a 1.6% chance it will strike on December 22, 2032. To give you some perspective, a rock of this size could do serious damage if it hits a city, causing what experts call a city killer scenario. But what does that really mean? So let's break it down. If 2024 YR4 were to hit a populated area, the damage would be catastrophic for that region. But here's the good news. It wouldn't be a global extinction event like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. Instead, it would be more like the Tunguska event of 1908, when an asteroid exploded over Siberia, flattening forests and creating shockwaves felt across the region. Now, imagine something like that happening over New York or Paris. The explosion could wipe out the city and cause massive destruction. We're talking tens of thousands of lives and severe infrastructure damage. But the difference here is that 2024 YR4 would likely explode in the sky, creating an airburst, rather than leaving a massive crater on the ground. This explosion would release around 8 megatons of TNT. That's 500 times the power of the Hiroshima bomb. Here's where things get interesting. NASA and other space agencies have been tracking this asteroid closely. But, despite the rising concerns, NASA's planetary defense teams aren't panicking. They have the tools and strategies to monitor this asteroid and, if needed, take action. So far, the asteroid has been given a Level 3 rating on the Torino Impact Hazard Scale. This means it's a close encounter that needs attention but isn't an immediate threat. The good news is that we have years to prepare. The asteroid's next close pass will be in 2028, when scientists will be able to get a better look and refine their calculations. We'll have more data then to confirm or rule out the possibility of impact. And while 2024 YR4 is still far away, it's already on NASA's radar. In fact, scientists are already testing techniques to redirect asteroids if one is found to be on a collision course with Earth. NASA's DART mission in 2022 successfully nudged an asteroid off course, proving that a strategy like that could be used to protect Earth if the need arises. If 2024 YR4 were to hit, it's important to understand where it could land. The potential impact zones include parts of the Pacific Ocean, South America, Africa, and South Asia. Now, this doesn't mean the asteroid will definitely strike these areas, but the risk zones are something to keep an eye on, especially as we get closer to the potential impact date. If the asteroid hits the ocean, it could trigger a tsunami, which would affect coastal areas. If it hits land, however, the damage would be catastrophic, with potentially millions of lives at risk. What's next? What's the plan to stop it? Right now, NASA is monitoring the asteroid and calculating its path. There are also experimental ideas for protecting Earth. One possibility is using lasers to vaporize part of the asteroid, creating a force that could push it off course. Another theory is the gravity tractor, a spacecraft that slowly tugs the asteroid away using its gravitational pull. But we don't need to panic just yet. The good news is that we have plenty of time to act. With enough early warning, we could evacuate any potential impact zones and save lives. So, what can we do right now? Scientists are keeping an eye on 2024 YR4, and they assure us that it's not something to lose sleep over. Yet. But it's important to stay informed and prepare for all possibilities. Follow Impact Republic for daily updates on this asteroid and others like it. And remember, there's no need to panic. We have the technology, the science, and the time to respond if something goes wrong. So, what do you think? Will 2024 YR4 hit Earth in 2032, or will it be another close call? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for daily updates as we continue to track this asteroid's path. Stay tuned for more news, and remember, the countdown to 2032 is on.